we're adding our dry ingredients into our pancake batter. We're going to be adding 2½ cups of flour. You want them full and even. 1, 2, and 1/2. Full and even. You have 1/4 cup of sugar, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Okay, I'm just mixing this with a fork. Use a circular motion and scrape the sides frequently. We don't want to over mix our pancake batter because we want to have it airy, and you don't want to develop the glutens in the flour too much, or they'll be too solid and hard. So you just quickly mix it until it's mostly smooth but still a little lumpy. And your batter should look like this. A little bit lumpy but smooth.